Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalina wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor Hidayat, a virtual Islamic institute starting a series of short lessons for those intellectual students who are willing to learn Arabic grammar in English. Moving on to our lesson number 1, the word and its classification. Al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha in Arabic. Classification of meaningful words, parts of speech in Arabic. In every language, there is a fundamental method for formulating grammar. What is kalima? Any word which has a meaning is termed as kalima. The first step is to divide all meaningful words of the language into different groups, ensuring that no word falls outside this classification. This division of word is known as parts of speech in Arabic. Aqsamul kalimati or Ajza'ul kalami. In Arabic, meaningful words are generally classified into three main categories: noun, ismun, verb, felun, particle, harfun. Noun. A noun is a word which indicates a person, place, animal, thing, or a quality without any relation to time. A verb is a word which denotes an action with relation to a particular time. A particle is a word, the meaning of which cannot be understood without a supporting noun or verb. Examples of noun: Zaidun, Zaid; Kitabun, a book; Shajarun, a tree; Imra'atun, a woman. Examples of verb: Kataba, he wrote; Yazhabu, he goes; Yashrabu, he will drink. Examples of particle: min, from; fi, in; if. So this was today's lecture, Alhamdulillah. How was today's lecture? Was there anything special or a new point that you learned from our lesson? Please let us know in the comments. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayka. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.